Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a great day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of subscription box unboxings, plus some product reviews. So if you enjoy that type of content, I would love it if you would go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You're here already. It would mean the world to me. And guys, don't forget to please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me how your day is. I love hearing from you and love hearing what you think of the subscription and the unboxing. So today we have a brand new subscription to our channel. This is the Kiwi Eco subscription box. I do want to say thank you very much to Kiwi Eco Co. They did send this to me for review. But this is what the box looks like. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it before we open this. Now, this is the August 2020 box. And this says the perfect eco-friendly subscription box for starting to live zero waste. And it starts as low. You can get plans as low depending on if you pay for a month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, but it does go as low as $23.33. So that's really good. But it says join the movement of zero waste enthusiasts. Our goal is to help people to start a journey towards zero waste living. Signing up for a subscription, you will receive your monthly supply of essentials for cleaning, storing food, personal care, traveling. All items are biodegradable and compostable. 5 to 6 items every month. Let's protect our planet together. Make a difference. Zero waste packaging. It's new products every month, and everything is 100% recyclable, which I think is fantastic. So I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. And like I said, this is the August 2020 box. They're waiting on one item for the September box. So if you were to order, you would get the September box because, like I said, this is August. So they're waiting on everything for September. And I also want to let you know that they did give me a promo code, which I really appreciate, to save you guys 10% off your first box, and it is Nikki10. I'll put that down below with the link as well. Otherwise, let's get in here and see what the August 2020 Kiwi Eco subscription box has in store. That's a tongue twister. So let's open it up. I love the idea of this. I love the idea of having a box that every month has a different theme that is going to give you a good variety, like as far as a number of products that will help you to start living a little bit more eco-friendly and less wasteful. So, I mean, when they say minimal packaging and all that, we're already off to a eco-friendly start, which I appreciate. So, this is just regular paper, which is obviously recyclable. And right here we have a note. Okay, so this is just telling me that they ran out of cards, so that's why this is written this way. So we will just go over what is in here. So when I pull it back, this is what I see. And let's see, we'll just grab and we will start. So we have this little bag right here, and inside, let's see. Inside, oh, these are soft. Well, one side, so these are, okay, I am excited. These are like makeup remover pads. So these are gonna replace cotton rounds. Love it. And let's see, so 3, 6, 9, 12 of them. And one side is kind of soft and smooth, and the other side is a little bit more like really getting in there and not really exfoliating, but a little bit deeper clean. Love that. And you actually, you can keep using these and put them in here to wash them so they don't get lost in your laundry, and probably help to not only keep them from getting lost, but it'll help keep them a little bit more protected in the wash so that they will last longer. I love this. I'm so excited about that. And then we have a comb. I'm assuming this is like from bamboo. So, you know, this is going to last. We can always use extra combs and brushes. So excited to see that guy. And then let's see. We have got a couple more of these bags just by themselves, which I think is great because you can use these for produce. There's unlimited uses for bags like this. I mean, you can use them when you're traveling, like I said, for produce and different things. So glad to have some of these. This is actually something you can use to wash in the shower, and it is, you can tell that it is going to help exfoliate, but it is 100% recyclable, and it'll kind of, I would imagine, kind of like start to disintegrate as you use it. So you know that it's not going to build up bacteria and all of that. So I think that's great too. It's just, all of this is amazing. And then it looks like we have one more product. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items total. I'm counting these 2 bags as one item because they were together. So we have the 2 bags, the body scrubber, these makeup. This I'm definitely probably the most excited about. We have the comb, and then we have this bag right here. I think I know what's in here because I can hear it and feel it. And I believe this is going to be a straw. No, I am wrong. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. I did not expect this at all, y'all. This literally has, from bamboo, a little cutlery set. So you could take this with you to lunch, pack it on a picnic. I mean, I seriously thought this was going to be a reusable straw. Nope, they surprised me. So that is amazing. That is definitely something good to have, like I said, for a picnic or, you know, taking your lunch to work. It's just great. So I think this was fantastic. It had a great mix of items, and they're all so useful. And I have no doubt that every item in this box is going to be used in my home. And that is something that I also really appreciate, because a lot of the times I do find in subscriptions, some of the items to me can just kind of be fluff, honestly, you know, to kind of add an extra item, and that's just not really something you're going to use. But every single item here is usable, and I appreciate that. So like I said, I will put that promo code down below along with a link to get you to the Kiwi Eco subscription box. I think it's fantastic. Let me know your thoughts down below. I want to thank our channel members for your support. It means so much to me. It helps our channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Even if you're not a channel member, I greatly appreciate you being here and just watching my videos. I love you all. I hope you again enjoyed the video. I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.